Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. As you guys know, I got this Homelite leaf blower for free while I was driving home from Harbor Freight Tools the other day. Saw it in somebody's garbage. What the hell? I picked it up, you know. I put some 2-cycle oil gas mix in there, and that's all I did so far. Choke, rabbit, primer bulb is not busted. I'm priming right now and fuel is going in, it's filling up, and I'm feeling fuel going through the carburetor. I smell fuel. Throttle low, throttle middle, off choke, on choke, middle. No signs of it starting at all, so I'm going to check for spark. The thing just came off the coil. Well, maybe that's why it didn't start. No spark. Then I have to get to the coil area. I'm gonna take this cage off. Of course, it's a flathead. Who uses flathead anymore? Honestly. Seriously, who uses a flathead anymore? You're a flathead. 3 screws. See that? They have 2 different kinds of screws to take off the cage. Look at this. Touch it. You know, I'm going to put my hand here and just touch it. See if I get shocked. I'm not getting shocked. I don't think it's any spark because I'm not getting shocked. I'm going to try a spark plug tester. I got a spark plug tester connected to it. I know it's going to be tough to see from the camera. Ooh, I saw it. I saw the light. Pretty good too. I'm going to try to see if you guys... See if you guys can see it. Right here. See if it's orange. Right there. See that? There's spark. I'm going to take the spark plug out and check it. Of course I have the wrong one. It's good. It smells of gas, but it's not wet. After priming so much, it should be wet. Wow, actually, you can see really good spark here. Saw that? As long as I have the spark plug out, I'm going to spray some carb cleaner in here. Just a little bit. I don't know why it's not starting. It's got spark, right? It's got gas. I'm going to take this cover off. Access to the carburetor. Filled with fuel. Saturated. Oof. It's flooded. Lots of fuel. Don't know why it doesn't have any signs of starting though, you know? Anyway, two 3/8. Hello. miraculously, the fuel lines are good. Usually when you get these, fuel lines messed up, all that, you know. Get a flathead. Dirty. See that part there? Disgusting. Watch this. Ooh. See that? This was what was in there, blocking fuel. I'm not going to peel that off. Usually when you peel that off, you screw it up. Let's see if that simple thing did the trick. I mean, it, you know, had spark, had fuel in that area. It should have worked. Should have heard something, you know what I mean? Something. Clean your shit. Guys, it should have done something, you know what I mean? Some signs of it. Should have done some signs of it. Ugh. I've been pulling and pulling. Nothing happens. Not once. Just removed the fuel mixture screw from here. Took it all the way out. Surprised because there's no high-low. It's just one. There's like a metal stud that's just there. No idea what that's for. Doesn't move, doesn't turn. Doesn't turn, it's just a stud there. I don't know what the purpose is. Clean that. So first adjustment on this fuel mixture screw. I took the plastic thing off. Because with the plastic thing you couldn't turn it. So basically you just turn it all the way in until you can't turn it anymore. There. Can't turn it anymore, right? So then to set it, it's 2.5 out. So it's a half, another half, that's 1. Another half, that's 2, and then another half. So that's what you should be setting it at. It's designed so that you should be able to start it and then adjust that way. When I put it vertically, tons of fuel just came out. It's still coming out. I think that might have been the stuff I just blew in there. Honestly, I've never had it where it doesn't show anything's going on. Not even a little bit, you know? I mean, I can understand if it doesn't stay running or just pops for a second, but it doesn't even pop. And we know we have spark. We know we have fuel. Compression, I feel it, you know? I don't know why it's not igniting. I don't know why I'm doing this, but taking the muffler off. But theoretically, we should have heard something, you know? Something should have happened. Sometimes you have to check the spark arrestor. And as you can see, this mesh thing is clear. If this was not clear, that would be something. But it's clear. Look at this muffler pipe. Is that weenie or what? Weenie. Let's see the piston. That piston's really scored. I bet you we have no compression. That piston's really scored. That's probably why. It's no compression. You guys see that? pretty scored. That's it. Give up. I've been pulling this thing until my arm gets pulled out of the socket. I'm going to use it for parts, guys. This is a fail. I'm thinking the scored piston has no compression. That's it. Piece of junk. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. You know what? I can't just leave it like that, right? Gonna have to do a teardown video. So I've got some good parts there. Engine cowling, a recoil starter works, cage, carburetor, muffler, the head, I guess, air filter base. You know, I don't plan on working on too many leaf blowers, but I wanted you guys to check out this and get a better view here. That's the piston. And it's very easily movable. See? Hey, what's up? Hold on. My friend John. John came by to say hello. He was the guy that helped me and my brother out with the go-kart. Remember, we broke down. He picked me up. Came to say hello. Hey guys, support my channel. Buy a sticker. Also, follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers. Yeah. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com. See you guys on the next one.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.